In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to use custom themes on Snapchat. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to your profile page. Then head over to the option Snapchat Plus. Now here you're going to find different features. You'll also find the option of custom themes. In order to get this feature, you'll need to upgrade to Snapchat Plus. So you'll need to click on Next, provide your payment details, and upgrade to Snapchat Plus subscription. Once you do that, you're going to get access to custom app themes. You can click on that. You'll be able to browse through different themes and choose any style or color you like for your Snapchat app. You can also apply the same theme to your profile so that when other users visit your profile, they will see your selected theme as well. Once you have chosen your favorite theme, tap on Apply Theme at the bottom of the screen to save the changes. After that, simply exit the settings page and you'll notice the new theme applied throughout your Snapchat app instantly. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.